Alright folks, Jonathan here. Now in this tutorial we're not actually going to be playing the drums, we're looking at something that makes lots of noise and could basically deafen you, and that is the cymbals. Now, a lot of people out there think that a cymbal is something you just whack. It is actually, you just whack a cymbal, but there are different types of cymbals. Now then, I've got quite a few here, but there are also other types of cymbals as well. If you're a drummer and I've missed any out, then either post a video response or just let people know. Now, first of all, a China type. Now, what is a China type? Now, normally, very quickly, a cymbal is that sort of shape. It's like an upside down, or it's like a bowl shape, an upside down bowl. Now, what they've done with the China type, they've made it an upside down bowl, but then they've made the sides go up again. So it's gone around, and then the sides have gone back on themselves. Now, a China type can be different sizes, different thicknesses, but it makes a very pronounced open sound. It's not really like a cymbal sound. In other words, the way, or sometimes when you use a China cymbal, you won't use it all the time. It'll be like at the end of a song, the beginning, or maybe bang in the middle, where you want to make a really big statement. Now, this is a China type. This is it here. And I'll tell you what, if you are close to that, it'll ruin your eardrums. Now then, again, with drums, sometimes you want to hit a cymbal and, well, not drums, sorry, cymbals. Sometimes you want to hit a cymbal and you want that sound to last for a short amount of time. You don't want it to resonate continually. So what do? You wouldn't hit a big one, you'd hit a small cymbal. Now these are called splashes. Now again, think about it, a nice splash, and it's gone. So it's a very short, sharp, sweet sound, and this is a splash cymbal. Here's another one. Now then, what a lot of drummers prefer to use and everyone likes are basically these guys here. These things are the ones, they're the crash cymbals. Now these guys do make a crashing sound. The actual sound lasts a lot longer than the splash. It isn't as big and intense as the China type, but it's still a very good sound. And this is almost 99% of the time, it's one of the sort of cymbals that a drummer will use. He goes bang all the way around the drums, whack, he'll hit that crash. Here we go. Now then, there is another cymbal that the drummers will use, and it's called a ride. Now then, I don't have one of those at the moment. I have something in between, which is called a crash ride. Now then, the reason I suppose it's called a ride, quote me if I'm wrong, is a lot of drummers like to do this. I suppose ride on it, if anything. Now the actual, it's alright, I'm not brilliant, I don't know all the terminologies, but who gives a monkeys? I can do what I want. This is me. Tough. Right, so basically, I mean, if I hit this now, if you listen to that, it's deeper, it's lower, and it lasts a lot longer. Now then, if that was a ride cymbal, you wouldn't necessarily hit a ride as you'd hit a crash, because the crash cymbal lasts quite a long time. The actual splash doesn't last as long as that, but the ride, if you whack that, it would just go on forever and ever and ever. But you get a nice effect. Now with the ride as well, the top part around the centre, now that's sometimes classed as the bell. That's when you get that ting-ti-ting, ting-ti-ting. Now if I was to do exactly the same thing on the splash cymbal, let's have a listen. It still sounds fine, but it hasn't got the depth, the feel, okay? So basically, for those areas where you want to make a big statement, China type, where you want to just have a tiny little fill-in, the actual little splash cymbals, where you want to make a huge noise at the end of going around the drums, that's the crash. And when you want to just have a little muck around, that's when you use your ride. Alright, so there you go, my interpretation, and it's up to me what I do, isn't it? I'll start again. It's up to me what I do here. So there you go. Thanks for watching, and as usual, practice and enjoy. And please, make some noise.